So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a very powerful Java introduced uh, feature, that is functional interfaces. If you have ever worked with Lambda expressions or method references in Java, you have encountered functional interfaces. But what exactly are they and why are they so useful? Let's break it down. So first of all, what is functional interface? Functional interface is an interface that has exactly one abstract method. This concept is important because it enables to use Lambda expressions and method references, making our code more concise and expressive. Why we should use functional interfaces? Let's start with a simple example. Functional interfaces are great for simplifying the code that involves behavior or parameters. They are used in context where you need to pass a method or a block of code around, which is common functional programming. They also make your code easier to read and maintain. So basic example we are going to see with the functional interface here is, here we have defined an interface. Basically calculator is an interface here. Here we are taking one single abstract method, okay, and defining the annotation as functional interface annotation. Okay. If we take any other method, suppose add we are taking, so it will give us error that invalid functional interface annotation, calculator is not a functional interface. So we should have only one single abstract method. We can have multiple default methods like these. If we define that particular method, then it is not an issue. Okay, we have to define it using default. It will be default in default. Okay. Okay, it should have return type as int. Suppose we are returning 10, so it is fine. Okay, we can have the multiple default methods like this. Okay, but we cannot have um, multiple abstract methods. Okay, now what we are doing over here is we have a calculate method, and in the main method we are taking a reference of calculator, that is a functional interface. We are getting an add method. Okay, we have a reference as add, and we are just calling this particular method here like this. Okay, this is basically a lambda expression. Okay, this is basically lambda expression. This arrow symbol is a lambda expression symbol. No, we are just taking the result. We are having the reference of add and calling the calculate method and passing the values, whatever values we want. Okay, we are passing the values and just printing the result. Same thing we are doing for the subtract method also. So if we see the output for the add, it is giving output as 30, and for the subtract it is giving output as 20, because we are passing 30 and 20, 30 and 10 here and 10 and 20 here. So it is giving output properly. Thank you.